So you will need some crushed garlic, crushed ginger, onion, you can use red, white or yellow onion, and some ketchup. And I'm using about 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 medium-sized onion sliced. You can use red, yellow or white onion, about 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic and 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger. And then regarding the spices, you're going to need about half a teaspoon of smoked or sweet paprika, about half a teaspoon of curry powder, some salt to taste, half a teaspoon of Githeri Masala and cumin powder, and also half a teaspoon of black pepper. We're also going to be using some red chili to garnish, but that's totally optional, and some coriander or cilantro. So start by making your fries. I like doing mine in the air fryer, but you can also deep fry them or cook them in the oven. So add the oil to the pan and allow to heat. So you want to fry the onions until they're nice and brown, then add in the spices. You then want to add in the garlic and ginger and about a tablespoon of tomato paste. So combine and allow the garlic and ginger to cook. And this looks good and smells really good. And next I just add the ketchup. And of course no wasting, so you want to scrape every little bit of ketchup into the pan. Then you just want to add the fries. So combine. And just before you finish, you want to garnish it with some fresh cilantro or coriander and some sliced chilies.